DLX gon' give it to you.
The following movie is rated I.
Alright boys, Blade did talk me into selling the Hawk X, but in the deal he traded me the DLX, which when you're going down the road it would kick out of gear and then grab, and sometimes it does it, sometimes it don't. So let's get this motor off, see what's wrong with it. First I'll pull the cover on the other side, see if it's maybe the spring for the shift drum maybe loose or something. But if it's been clicking and kicking off like that, I'll probably have to change the shift drum, the forks. We'll see. It runs good.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's the strangest thing. I took her for a ride. When you give it gas, it goes forward. When you let off, it's almost like a spray clutch. So it just coasts. The gearing don't hold you back. So I drove it over here, parked it, and I did it in gear with the clutch out. You can roll it forward, no problem. Go to roll it backwards, it'll grab you from the compression, you know, with the motor not running. Let's see how many fart smellers we got out there. What do you think it is? Because I found it and I bet you can't figure it out. Here's a clue. Here's another clue. And one more clue. You guess what it is?
Well, we're waiting.
If you guess this, then you're right. Snapped off in there pretty good. Gotta pull these little bushings out and hopefully it'll fish this out of there. Snapped it right off, boys. Put bolts through. Just gotta shape the head. That's the finished product. So it'll slide right in that rubber. The whole thing will come out in one unit. Now these are grade 5. The other ones were pretty hard because they snap off. So I'm not sure. I'll try to grade 5. I guess if they snap, I'll go to grade 8. Then put them in there. Got to put the flat side on this side so it's flush. And then we'll put her back together and tap her in, see if it works. It should work. Tap, tap, taparoo. Put that C-clip back on there. I think that'll hold up for a while, boys. So that was definitely the problem. How many of you guys got it? Because I never even thought of that. But at least it was a fairly easy fix. Looks like Cheezy's on a DLX again. And yes, she still runs good. At least I got something to ride now, boys. That's a China bike. How many miles are on this now? This is down in Florida. 7,000. And I forget how many miles I had. I know it says kilometers, but it's actually reading miles per hour. I think I changed the cluster at less than 1,000. I don't know. I still have the cluster down there. I'll have to look. So it's got like 8,000 miles.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.